Hello, in this video, we will apply the migration for lazy loaded routes. So you might know in the routing, if you load a component using load component, it's a lazy loading because on the compile time, you're not mentioning which component has to be loaded. So you just pass the path of the component and then it loads that component on the runtime. However, if you look at this path, this is a eagerly loaded component. So while compilation for the path default, we know that this component has to be loaded. What does it mean? If you have the eagerly loaded components in your path, your bundle file is huge and that will slow down your initial page load. If we have the lazy loaded module, a separate bundle file will be created, and whenever you go to that route, that JS file will be loaded into browser, and this gives you a performance boost. That is why try to use this kind of lazy loaded components if possible. In my case, I have been using mostly the lazy loaded components. So I do not have much eagerly loaded component. But in your case, if you have many of this component and you don't want to do this translation on your own, there is a migration called route lazy loading. And this will go through all the route files in your application, identify whether it is eagerly loaded or lazy loaded, and replace them. So let's try it. It will ask for me component, sorry, path, and path is there and is super fast. It says a migration is finished, number of updated routes 1, number of skipped routes 0, and it says verified. Yes, I will verify it. Let's see the changes. So as you can see in the change, the path variable, path, empty path component is replaced with the home component and component, hero home component here. Let's start the application and see everything is working. So this is the application and it's compiling. Okay, so let's refresh and we shouldn't get any route specific error. So there are some API errors, but we do not have any errors from our route. So route is working. That's it. It's a quick video. Check your application, apply this migration, and if you have any question or some issues, drop me a comment. Thank you.